Hello, today I have another wig show and tell for you guys, and this wig is brought to you by alipearlhair. The link below to this wig, their direct store, and their social media links will be in the description box. When you receive your wig, it should come with some goodies in the box. I got a elastic band that's adjustable and I can insert it myself. I got this silk edge scarf, some eyelashes, another scarf for your head. The wig comes in that long clear plastic baggie. Two brown wig caps and a care card that comes with helpful tips on how to care for your wig over time. And this alipearl silk bag that I can store my wig in for when I'm not wearing it. Here is a close-up of what inside of the wig looks like. You get a 5x5 parting space, 2 combs in the front, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material can stretch, so it's made with a stretch fit material. And as for the lace, it does come off gray on my skin, but I'm going to try my best to go in and tint it to my skin color. The hairline does not come pre-plucked and the knots do not come bleached. Off camera, I go in and bleach the knots with BW2 bleaching powder mixed with 40 volume developer. I left the bleach on for about 45 minutes. I washed the wig out and let it air dry. This is what it looks like the next day. So now that the knots is bleached and the hair is freshly washed, I would like to go in and pluck the hairline. With this style, I'm going to do a middle part. So before I go in and pluck the hairline, I put the parting first so I know not to pluck too much in that area and make the parting look wide. Now I'm using this and this hot comb and I'm just flattening the top of the hair, and I'm going to smooth out the hairline as well. Now I'm going to go in and show you guys how I pluck this thick hairline. First, I'm going to take this small section in the front and I use a clip to help the hair in the back stay down. After I lean that section in the front towards me, I am holding it and I'm taking my tweezers and I'm plucking the parts that's really dense. So right now, all of that in the front is really dense. So I'm just plucking random spots until I see a hairline coming through. Be sure when you're plucking to comb out the shedding hair. After I made the density a little lower in the front, I'm going to part the back and use that clip to hold down the back hair again, and then repeat the same steps that I did the first time. Now that the hairline is coming through, I'm going to hold back that side that I just plucked and pluck that line of demarcation that's in the front so the hairline doesn't look so straight. So the left side is what I plucked and the right side is how the hairline come. This is just optional. If you got this wig and you're not pleased with the hairline, you can always use this technique to help pluck the hairline. And the same steps that I did on this side, I'm going to go ahead and do on the next side. I went ahead and plucked the right side off camera. If you would like a more detailed tutorial on how I pluck my 5x5 lace closures, I'll be sure to leave the video link below to that. Now I'm going in with the Andis hot comb again and using it to smooth out the hairline. Then after that, I'm going to go in and add some baby hairs by the temple. But I'm taking the baby hairs out early so I don't have to do it while it's on my head. Alrighty, now we almost getting to the end. Now I have to define the curls. So I'm going in with this 360 mist spray bottle. The only thing I have in it is water. I'm so sorry that I can't get all of the wig on camera. This wig is really long and it's only so much space that I have that I can back up. I am just damping the hair with the spray bottle. I don't want it drenched in water. Now I'm going to use this product called the Nair OB Foaming Lotion. I just pump some of this product all over the hair. Then I take the brush and comb it right on through. It just helps distribute the product all over the hair. I am all done defining the curls, but I did this style 2 days ahead of when I had to ship this wig out. So I had to go to my next location because I wasn't going to be home. And here I am installing it now. I left from New York. Now I'm in Georgia and it's time for the install. Here is my end result, and I tried my best, kept it simple, but I feel like it still came out cute. So again, the length of this wig on me is 28 inches and it comes as 28 inches, so it's definitely true to length. As for the density of the hair, it is very, very thick, very full. This is for the ladies that like that thick, long, full, curly hair look. If you want, you don't even have to define the curls. You can play with the curls and make it more poofy and thicker to your liking. Whatever you want. This is just my wig show and tell. And I like the amount of parting space I got. 5 inches is good enough. I am satisfied. This is how the hairline fully looks for when the wind blows. The sides is pretty straight. But that's what make the install very easy and beginner friendly. And the best part is you don't have to use glue to mount the lace. You could just insert this wig on your head, leave it there, and then take it off at night. When I received the wig, it didn't come with no foul odor. And what I mean by that is when some people get a wig from a Chinese vendor, they say it smells like corn chip when they get it, but this wig didn't have that issue at all. The hair color comes as a natural black, but you can always go in and dye the hair, or if you would like to apply bleach, this hair does take bleach. They state that it's 100% virgin hair. And even from the sides, you can really see how thick this hair is. It's a really thick density. But even though the wig is thick, it doesn't have a weight to it. It still feels very lightweight. When I was styling this wig, I definitely did get shedding. Shedding was medium, and I feel like it's due to the fact that I wanted to pluck the hairline, so I'm hoping over time it stops. If you are interested in this wig, or if you went ahead and ordered this wig, I believe this wig only comes in one size fits all. So my head circumference is 22 inches. If you have a big head, you are definitely in for the clear. I have a lot of stretch cap room left in there. And if you have a small head, I recommend inserting that elastic band. In this video, the lace doesn't really fully match my skin because I noticed I got a tan. But I still tried my best to make it work, especially without no product.